Hi, my name is Rihards, and today we're going to debunk some common myths surrounding dropshipping. If you've been considering starting your own dropshipping business, this video is for you. So let's jump right in. Myth number 1. The more products I add, the more likely it is that the customer will find something suitable. This is a common misconception among new dropshippers. While it might seem logical to offer a wide range of products, the truth is that you need to target a specific niche with a specific set of products. By differentiating your brand and focusing on a particular niche, you can better resonate with your target audience. Having a clear brand purpose and understanding your customers' needs will significantly increase your chances of success. Moving to myth number 2. Dropshipping can generate immediate income. This myth often leads to unrealistic expectations. The truth is that it takes time to build the money-generating assets required for a successful dropshipping business. You'll need to invest time and effort into web design, creating a professional online presence, building trust and recognition through social media or video content, and other things you need to do. Additionally, you'll have to develop and fine-tune a marketing system that effectively reaches your target audience. And when going through these tasks, trial and error is a normal part of the process, which also takes time. Let's tackle myth number 3. You don't need capital to start. While dropshipping is generally considered a low-cost business model, it's not entirely free. There are several costs involved in setting up and running your dropshipping business. First, you'll need web hosting and web design services to establish your online presence. Even if you design the website by yourself, it will take time, and time is money. You may also require third-party tools and plugins to enhance your store's functionality. Marketing costs, including advertising and promotion, should also be taken into account. And don't forget admin costs such as business registration and license. Finally, you might need to invest in freelancers and services to help certain aspects of your business. And now, the final myth. You are just a reseller. This myth undermines the potential of dropshipping as a business model. Truth is that dropshipping is just a supply chain model, and you have more control and ownership than you might think. When you build a dropshipping business, you establish your own brand. You have the power to determine the pricing and marketing strategies for your products. And if you ever feel the need to switch suppliers, you're free to do so. So you're in full control. Remember, you're not just a reseller, you're an entrepreneur. That concludes our exploration of these common dropshipping myths. We hope that by debunking these misconceptions, we've provided you with a clear understanding of what it takes to succeed in dropshipping. As always, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below.